Let's bring you up to speed on the latest on the coronavirus. Three things to know this morning. Another record day across the Carolinas. North Carolina is seeing its worst day ever for new cases. More than 1,800 more people testing positive for the coronavirus. And sadly, 30 more people dying from the disease. And sobering numbers in South Carolina as well. More than 1,100 people currently in the hospital fighting coronavirus, the highest number we've seen so far there. These numbers making it extremely difficult to plan for the next school year, of course. Officials in North Carolina say their goal is to have kids back physically in the classroom. Governor Cooper says more time, though, needed before a plan can actually be put in place. Meanwhile, local health officials urging people to act responsibly this holiday weekend. They're pleading for safety and social distancing and that you keep those masks on. Wake Up Charlotte's Richard Vay now live for us this morning. And Richard, officials are worried about repeating the coronavirus spike we saw after Memorial Day.
Yeah, and well, they should be, Ben. Good morning to you. Good Thursday morning, everyone. Yeah, in years past, we tell you, don't play around with the fireworks at home. Be safe. Come out and watch one of the big shows. But now those shows are canceled. So you're going to get folks who are maybe at home, but also in search of a big event like a fireworks show wherever they can find it. And that has health officials concerned. Lighting the skies to celebrate our country's birthday with a bang. But those bangs will be a lot smaller this year. The COVID pandemic has forced the cancellation of most 4th of July celebrations in North and South Carolina. Health officials support local governments and event organizers who have chosen to cancel group activities across the state in order to protect their communities from the spread of the virus. This has ignited the normal busy fireworks sales in our area to explosive levels as people try to celebrate while social distancing.
We have tons of new customers who maybe have never bought fireworks ever.
But while Tega Cay has canceled its popular parade, its fireworks show will still go on, meaning as the only show in our area, even more people may flock there to watch. That could put more people in jeopardy of community spread.
July the 4th is coming. Everybody wants to get out, but it is a dangerous opportunity for us to spread this virus.
Yeah, Government Master is absolutely correct. We've got some tips on what you should do for 4th of July to stay safe. But where do we go, Rachel? I want to know, do you have some ideas?
Maybe, do a little feast for your family. Richard just said earlier, yesterday during a meeting, that he was doing kale smoothies. So if that's what you're having for the 4th of July, I'm not coming to that party. People are grilling out. I'm seeing that on social media. But there are some changes. We're also tracking nationally kind of what the 4th of July predictions are going to be looking like. Some areas and state and local officials are going to be closing down beaches because they're afraid of how packed they could be and the spread of the coronavirus then. So in LA, over in California, they're closing the beach for 4th of July. South Beach in Florida also closed. There is this spike in demand for rental cars, beachfront hotels, already outpacing last July's holiday weekend. That's how many people are really, really wanting to get out because they've been cooped in for so long. AAA is predicting that 700 million trips will be taken by Americans between right now and September. Airbnb seeing a big spike as well. A lot of people looking for short getaway weekend trips rather than long extended vacations right now. Hashtag WakeUpCLT. Let us know what you're doing. Tag Richard if you need some ideas. Are you traveling this weekend? We do see several of you commenting right now. Robert saying he's going to South Carolina. Diane says she's going to stay home. David is going to spend the weekend fishing. Ben.
Here's the deal. I don't understand why we've canceled our fireworks show. I feel like now more than ever, fireworks shows would be like the best thing to do. Like it's the best way to be entertained and still be socially distanced from people. So I was a little bummed that we weren't going to have them.
I agree, because people could have just camped out in their own front yard then and looked up to the sky and stayed safely at home. Yeah,
of all the things we've changed, I felt like that could have been one thing that we could all have sat back and enjoy together. But I guess the virus claimed that too. All right, Rachel, thanks.